IFPC Cyber Insurance Norway pricing explained what you get for your money. In Norway's fast-growing digital economy, even small companies are at risk of cyber attacks. From stolen data to ransomware, the costs can spiral out of control fast. That's why IFPC Cyber Insurance is designed to protect businesses from the financial and operational fallout of cyber incidents. But how much does it cost, and what are you really getting for your money? The average price for IFPC cyber insurance in Norway ranges from 50 to 18 Norwegian kroner per year depending on company size, sector, and security level. High-risk industries like healthcare, tech, or finance typically pay more due to greater exposure. So, what's included? First, data breach management. If customer information or internal files are compromised, IFPC covers investigation costs, legal advice, and communications to affected clients and regulators. Next, there's ransomware and cyber extortion protection, which reimburses ransom payments and recovery costs and provides professional negotiators to guide you through the crisis. You'll also get business interruption coverage, which compensates for lost income while your operations are suspended, an essential safety net if your digital systems go offline. Then comes liability coverage, which protects you against lawsuits or claims related to data laws or GDPR violations. IFPC also goes further by offering preventive services, including security audits, and 24-hour access to its specialists who can detect and respond to threats in real time. Most companies think cyber insurance is only for large corporations, but the truth is, over 60% of small businesses that experience a cyber attack never fully recover. So what do you get for your money with IFPC? Reliable financial coverage, expert recovery support, and proactive protection against evolving cyber risks. With IFPC Cyber Insurance Norway, you're not just protecting your business data, you're protecting your future.